How to generate your Axis Bank ATM card PIN online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can generate the Axis Bank PIN online. So let's begin with the video, but before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can generate your PIN, you just need the Axis Bank application downloaded on your device. You may just download the application from any of the available app store into your device. After it is downloaded, you'll be able to find the login page here. Simply tap on this login into your Axis account. After that, you may just enter your banking details here and log in into your account. And after you are logged in into your account, you'll be taken to another page. So when you've entered into your bank account, you'll be finding your bank interface here. So when you've logged in into your Axis Bank application, at the top you will be finding your name shortcut there with a circle there. Just click on it. Right now here it says MP on my tab, so you're just gonna click on your name and you'll be taken to this page. So here you are able to find different kind of options. You're gonna click on this option called services and support. You're at the third, you can find that option called services and support. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding these options here. So here at the third, you can find this option called debit card. As we are resetting the PIN of our ATM card, click on the option called debit card. After that is set up, you'll be able to find your card here. So after selecting your debit card here, you're gonna find the option called set PIN at the bottom. You can find that option called set PIN. Just click on it, and after that you'll be taken to another page where you can either set or reset your PIN. So you may just enter the 4-digit PIN. After that, confirm by re-entering the 4-digit PIN and continue. After that, you'll be receiving a 6-digit code. Just enter the 6-digit MPIN, and that's how you basically generate your own PIN on your ATM card of Axis Bank using the online banking app of the Axis. So just follow the step and you should be done after that. So that's how you basically do it. So follow the same process in order to do or generate the PIN of your ATM card as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.